If your current 3/4 ton truck or bigger, or the one you're shopping for, is ready for a road trip like none other, then this could be your next luxury fifth wheel. Hey, what's going on? I'm Dave Erickson. I'm excited to share with you this 2022 Forest River Sandpiper 38FKOK. At nearly 42 feet long, I can barely get it in the frame. 8 feet wide, this is amazing. It has 6 slide outs, can sleep up to 6, an outdoor kitchen, 20-foot power awning, 2 entry and exit doors, a rear entertainment system, and so much more. Today I'm going to give you a hands-on walk-around tour both inside and out. But first, I want to give a big shout out and thanks to my friends and partners at Click-It RV in Spokane, Washington for allowing me to share this with you. I'm so excited. You can see all their contact information, services, inventory, both new and used, by clicking the link below this video or by going to clickitrv.com. Now this is called a 38FKOK. FK, by the way, stands for front kitchen, and that's what you see up here to our left, plus our 1, 2, 3 of the slide outs. Same on the opposite side. I'll show you that in a second, but that is where your kitchen area is. Back area is where you find your master bedroom. So let's take a little closer look now. Everything is obviously labeled very well. Down below says the fresh water drain. Here is one of 2 doors for your pass-through. I'll open that one here in just a second. You can see all your water controls there, solar charging control up there, but a pretty spacious pass-through with your spare tire in there as well. This front door here has your 6-point leveling controls. Down you can see there with the battery. Here on the entry door side, you can see the other 3 pullouts. 1, 2, 3. And just like we saw on that side, speakers there on the outside, this side has an opening for your propane tanks, 2 of them. And this is the other door for the pass-through. A little more opening on this side because you don't have the control panel there. There's your 20-foot power awning. Great for those nights you want to sit out and enjoy the evening. This is one of 2 quad radius folding steps. Very easy to handle with one hand, actually. So lift up here. Stays in place right there. You can easily close your door at this point. Otherwise, you can just handle it down. And there you go. We'll go inside here in just a minute. Grab handle there. Here's your second set of stairs in that back area, which I'll show you is your master bedroom. Now here is your outdoor kitchen. This is phenomenal. Look at this. The door opens. You've got a microwave, a refrigerator, sink. This is beautiful. Plus storage there. And on this side, this barbecue swings out. So you don't have to worry about any grease getting up on your vehicle. This will swing all the way out here. And then you can have something to cook on and put your supplies and all your accessories on. Isn't that cool? Of course, your roof ladder there as well. Now that you've seen the outside, let's go inside and really see what this thing's all about. This is gonna blow your mind. I know it did mine, and I just love what it has to offer, and you are too. Check it out. We'll go to the right first. This is your kitchen. Isn't this incredible? Check it out. You're gonna go upstairs into your kitchen. This has more counter space than most RVs will have combined. Look at that. Got an island in the middle. Look at the stovetop range. Beautiful view while you're cooking. Plenty of outlets. Obviously all the storage you need. Full size refrigerator, microwave. Naturally, storage. There is no unused space. Everything has a purpose. Look at this. It's incredible. This is all luxury. It is a luxury fifth wheel. Isn't that nice? Of course, you got these covers over the sink. Isn't that nice? So when you're not using the sink, you have more counter space. Beautiful touches here in the ceiling with the lights, speakers, and oh, I'm already giving it away. Check out this view. So you have a nice little spot to sit, watch your big screen 50-inch TV. Got a fireplace down below, all the electronics for smart devices, speakers, more storage, obviously. You got this couple of recliner chairs here with cup holders on both sides, large windows. Now this folds out to sleep too, as does this one. And look at all the space. Made possible by the slide outs. One of the 6 here. Just to give you some perspective on the size of our storage above. And in here, see how clean this can be? Have this covering so there's no cable showing. Look at the gas fire. Cool. All right, back here we'll go to the bathroom and then the master. You got your toilet there. You've got a shower which has a seat in it. Look how tall this is. The NBA would be proud to have this as a sponsor. Look how tall that window is, or that skylight. Full shower. You got your sink, your vanity mirror. You got the foot option here to flush toilets. Now, what's behind this door, you asked? I'm glad you asked. It's a slider. Just had the box in here because it's brand new. But this is where you can put a stackable washer and dryer. There's putting this in here because it's brand new. But anyways, that's where you can put a washer and dryer there. Yeah, and it slides like that. You have a snap right here so it doesn't move around when you're in motion. Your second entry, which we showed you before, and now the master. So, hello, king size bed. This is where you'll relax during your evenings. Storage above, naturally, his and hers closets. Another spot for a hookup for a television. Storage. I think storage is redundant, right? I mean, everything is meant to have storage and comfort in one of these. So just gorgeous. Wide open space here, plenty of room to get ready. Nice long aisle hallway. A hallway in your fifth wheel, naturally. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed my tour of this 2022 Forest River Sandpiper 38FKOK. Definitely something you should see in person to get a full impression and look of what this is all about. Probably wondering price, just under 84 grand as seen here with our package 101. Again, a big thanks and shout out to my friends and partners at Click It RV in Spokane, Washington for allowing me the chance to share this with you. You can find all their contact information, services, inventory, both new and used, by clicking the link below or by going to clickitrv.com. Now, before I go, one last look at this luxury fifth wheel, both inside and out. Set the music. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.